Good morning, guys. It's almost afternoon and I'm still in my PJs, and I had a really bad cramp from last 2 days, and today we are feeling a little bit better, so let's have a reset day today. I need to clean my house, do the laundries and hoovering the rooms and everything because my house is kind of a mess right now. So let's start. Let's start with the showering because I need one. And yeah, let's go. If you don't know me yet, my name is Nilam. I do personalized video vlogs here on every Saturday or Friday. So make sure you follow me and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hydration is very important. We're gonna start cleaning from my room first because when I go to shower, I like to come back to a clean room. So not hoovering, but just taking away all the things. Let me show you a quick situation of my room. Do not judge, okay? We're gonna clean it right now, so do not judge. So the room is cleaned. Our first part is completed. I did hover, I did take away all the things, and now it's time for the kitchen to make it clean. It's time to tackle this massive kitchen. Best of luck. I live in a shared apartment, so kitchen is not fully clean, but it's about my essential to make it clean and my place to make it clean. I'm craving for a little quick snack, so I'm gonna make some pani puri. So we're gonna boil potatoes for it. So while we are cleaning that, we let the potato boil for a while. Good shower always make me in a good mood, and my cramps are on the highest on second day. I don't know why, but I'm feeling very overwhelmed on second day. So all I do is rest and eat chocolates, lots of chocolates. So that's what I did yesterday, and I did some my admin work too. So I'm already ready. It makes me feel in a good mood already. We wore our PJs already because I'm all at home today. So we're gonna eat some snacks, and that's all gonna be for this video. So that's all I'm gonna do next, that I'm gonna eat in a peace and rest for whole day. So this is it for today's video. Follow me on Instagram and other social media I have connected down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Until then, see you next time.